I tried Zumo app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Zumo app, I expected just another beginner-friendly crypto wallet. But after 7 days of real-world testing, the shocking truth is that Zumo isn't just about holding crypto, it's about bridging digital assets with everyday banking. On day 1, I noticed the clean design and quick setup. Within minutes, I had a wallet ready to receive Bitcoin and Ethereum. But here's where things got interesting. Zumo also provides a Visa debit card that lets you spend your crypto like cash. Most wallets stop at storage, but Zumo goes one step further into practical finance. By day 2, I tested conversions. Swapping between crypto and fiat was simple, with competitive rates and clear transparency. No hidden spreads, no confusing steps. It's refreshing to see a wallet that feels more like a bank but without the middlemen. Midweek, I explored Zumo's sustainability mission. Every transaction includes a traceable carbon offset, something I've never seen from another crypto app. It's designed for eco-conscious users who want to invest and spend responsibly. By day 5, I tested the Zumo card in stores. It worked seamlessly, converting crypto to pounds at checkout. It's the kind of feature most crypto apps promise but rarely deliver so smoothly. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Zumo is quietly building the future of green, user-friendly crypto banking. It's not just a wallet, it's a lifestyle tool for people who want to live in both the crypto and traditional finance worlds. If you've been looking for a simple, trustworthy way to actually use your crypto in daily life, Zumo might just surprise you.